Today we have received a total of 1,404 results from the laboratory, and out of these, 129 samples tested positive for COVID-19. 67 are females and 62 are males. The youngest is 2 months old, and the oldest one is 73 years old. The confirmed cases are distributed as follows. Commerce, we have 67 from Windhoek. In Hardap, altogether there are 27, made up of 15 from Marienthal, 12 from Rehoboth, and then Erongo we have 9, made up of 5 from Wolf's Bay, 2 from Swakopmund, and 2 from Omaruru. Ochotojupa we have 8, made up of 6 from Okahanja, and 1 each from Grootfontein and Otjiwarongo. We have from Oshana 6, from Oshakati and Ochikoto, we have 4, made up of 2 each from Tsumeb and Omthia. Karas region, we have 4, made up of 3 from Keetmanshoop and 1 from Luderitz. In Omaheke, we have 2, all from Hobabis, and in Zambezi, we have 2 from Katima Muriro, and altogether totaling 129. We have now surpassed the 10,000 mark after 6 months of pandemic in Namibia. The total number of confirmed cases now stand at 10,207. As you may recall, we have recorded the highest daily number of cases, that is 316, on the 23rd of August 2020. The number of confirmed daily cases, the number of confirmed daily new cases continues to decrease across all regions. However, there are also variations on the number of cases reported from different regions. The table below highlights the highest number of cases recorded per region compared to the new cases recorded today. I will not read the whole table for you, but I just take out some few extractions. For example, the highest number of confirmed cases recorded in Windhoek was 254, which was recorded on the 23rd of August 2020. And currently today, we have recorded 67 against 254. And in Erongo, the highest recorded was 102, and that was on the 7th of August. And today, we have recorded 9. Karas, for example, on the 11th of September, we have recorded the highest number of 36, whereas today we have recorded 4. The only exception to this rule is that in Hardap, on the 18th of 9, we recorded the highest number of 27, and today we have also recorded the same number, that is 27. Oshana, for example, on the 27th of August, we recorded the highest ever number of 19, and today we have recorded the number of 6. For example, in Kavango East, on the 5th of September, the highest number ever recorded was 13, and today we are recording 0. Ohangwena, we have recorded 12 on the 30th of August. That was the highest ever, Today we have recorded 0. Umsati, the highest number ever recorded in a day is 5. That was on the 26th of August. Today we are recording 0. Kunene, the highest was 3 on the 4th of September. Today we are recording 0. In Kavango East, the highest recorded was 2, and today we have recorded 0. In total, the highest ever number recorded, as I've said before, was on the 23rd of August 2020, and the number was 316. And today we have recorded 129. So this shows a consistent decline in the daily number of cases. Today we are reporting 262 new recoveries, and therefore it brings the total number of recoveries to 7,947. They are as follows. Oshana, we have recorded 87, Erogo 65, Comas 58, Hardap 32, Ohangwena 19, and Umsati 1. The total number of active cases now stands at 2,152, and of these, 14 are either in severe or in critical conditions. And they are as follows. In Erongo, we have 4 cases in a critical condition. In Comas, we have 2 cases who are in severe condition and 6 in a critical condition. In Oshana, we have 2 who are in severe cases. Now, in terms of summary, the cumulative number of confirmed cases now stand at 10,207. And the number of recoveries stand at 7,947. Active cases stands at 2,152, and the total death is 1,008. Active contacts stands at 9,834, and the total number of specimens tested so far is 86,092. The cumulative number of people who have ever been in our quarantine is 13,061, and 12,180 of these have been discharged, which leaves us with 881 individuals in our quarantine facilities. I wish to remind ourselves that today is the first day after the end of the state of emergency that was declared by His Excellency the President on account of COVID-19 and which subsisted for the past 6 months. As I mentioned yesterday at the press briefing at State House, although the state of emergency has come to an end, COVID-19 has not. We have now put in place legal instruments that allows for the continuation of public health measures to prevent further spread of infection and also to mitigate the impact of COVID-19 on the individuals, families, and communities. I would like to share with you a quote from a social media which I deem to be relevant to our situation today. It describes the 1918 Spanish flu pandemic, and I wish to quote, "The most severe pandemic in history was the Spanish flu of 1918. It lasted for 2 years in 3 waves, with 500 million people infected and 50 million deaths. Most of the fatalities happened in the second wave. The people felt so bad about the quarantine and social distancing measures that when they were first lifted, people rejoiced in the streets with abandon. In the coming weeks, the second wave occurred with tens of millions dead. Let us not repeat the history in the time of COVID-19. Relaxation is only given by government. Coronavirus hasn't given any relaxation. His Excellency the President yesterday mentioned the possibility of the second wave. Let these words be our guide in the post-state of emergency period.